Hey, what's going on, guys? Xiangqi here. We ended up the last video by stopping Stockfish from generating moves, which might sound a little bit weird, but that was the exact goal I was trying to achieve. But not for itself, obviously. I'm trying to change the board size, the size of the board array, and I've disabled the bib boards. And what I was wondering regarding the matter of generating pieces in the previous video, so just have a look, just go, so here is the board, so board array is still on the card, still initialized from the FEN, from the sort FEN, and we go and we say like go perfed, and we're still having some weird moves which I have no idea where they come from, but surprisingly I just realized that if we say position FEN and give absolutely empty board, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, y to move, no peasant, no castling, no peasant, 50 rule equals to 0, full multiplies equals to 1, and now we have empty board, right? And it would now say go perfed 1, we still have some moves, so not really sure where they're coming from. So what I can assume that probably the bib boards has been initialized initially, and then they still kind of hanging in the memory somewhere. So it feels like, I don't know, it's really hard to say, but yeah. So but anyway, this doesn't really matter that much. So what the next step that I'm trying to achieve, so I want to make the board bigger. So in CNC we have 9 files and 10 ranks, but assuming assuming the fact of fully relying onto the array-based board representation for mode generation purposes, we actually need a bigger board in order to be able to keep track of the offboard squares. Yeah, like probably after I will change the very first value regarding the board size within the source code, it would most likely already be given some segmentation faults. So what I can say that if you're watching this video, guys, that probably I did come up with something decent to share. Otherwise, you just probably won't see it really. So okay, without further ado, quit. So I just want to increase the size of the board. So if I go to the position, and it's called square, no, it's called piece, type is called piece, board. So here it is. So it's the size of square number for this board, as a board of the square number. So square number is a constant. Square number is a constant being available here. And yeah, also, well, probably one of the reasonable things to add here would be add in some extra squares. And again, like just to give you an idea regarding the board, how the board should look like. Yeah, just thinking the proper way of demonstrating this. So I would be relying on the one I used in my JavaScript engine that is playing Chinese chess. So now I'll demonstrate you this, guys. So it's called Okun CNC, and source engine Okun.js. So here is the map for board array. So we have 11 multiplied by 14 mailbox representation. Well, the board NDN is in Stockfish is different compared to the one I used, but that shouldn't be a problem really. So yeah, and also the square names, I guess, also should be given to, like, for all the boards. So the number of squares we need is 11 multiplied by 14 It's 154. So square 0. I'm just wondering, is A1 actually equal to... Okay, hold on a second, guys. I just really want to check out one little thing here. So let's open... Oh man. Oh, it's just the previous... Hold on a sec. I just moved the sources, so yeah. Types and yeah. So main CPP and F, just before the UCI loop, I want to say stdcout. Just want to print this constant of square A1. So this, I guess that would be 1, square A1. Save. Sorry for not using fancy std end line. So this is the square A1. Excuse me. Nope. Oh, hold on a sec. Yeah, so whoa, what the heck. Yeah, this is C++, baby. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Oh man, what the heck is going on? What did I do wrong? Oh, probably just break something. Hold on a sec. What? Oh man, are you kidding me? I just moved the sources to a new folder, but hold on a sec. Sorry guys, just no, this is the sources I've been altering. Okay, these are the sources I've been altering, but what's wrong? Oh, you don't like this? It's just a commentary. What's... Oh, it just doesn't like... Yeah, there shouldn't be semicolon there, right? Yeah, now it seems to be compiling. So yeah, my god. Yeah. So the single semicolon in C++ leads to tool disaster. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, printing strings is the most tough task in C++. Oh, just need to put 2 semicolons. Okay. So I'm just really wondering what's the value of square 1. So I assume this should be 1 because we have the square 0 equals to 0. But probably I will break this because the way I'm supposed to be going is a little bit different. Well, I wish I could know where the square 0 is used. Well, actually I can try to disable that and see where it gives me some errors. Maybe that's the way to go. Yeah, that might be interesting. Okay, well, whoa, square A1 is equal to 0 still. Now this is really interesting. So square A1 is still equal to 0. Okay, okay. This was interesting, really. This was really fun. Okay, so. Okay, so I hold my breath and try to make it 154. So it would just probably just give me the segmentation fault because I don't even have an idea how many times and where exactly this square number is actually used. By the way, if I comment out the square number and see how many places is that used, that might be the case. Just to give an idea, at least which files to have a look at for that. Yeah. By the way, why didn't I think about this? This might be interesting. Okay, I don't need this for a while. And probably really should to try that profile build because yeah, it really goes slow as hell. Okay, so didn't make segmentation fault yet. Whoa. Everything still works. Can you believe it? Position FEN. So probably the matter of just having a bigger board array doesn't really do anything yet. So this is cool. Okay, just want to get back to my Wukong.js. So this is literally the single engine. Wukong CNC and Wukong.js is the same engine. Well, the same search, but different mode generators. They're very similar. Okay, so now I need a source. And I just need to get my string for debugging. Copy. Yeah, by the way, yeah, let's just go for it. See, well, still works. So, well, it seems like I didn't violate anything. Well, this is so cool, man. This is so cool. And if it doesn't give me segfault here, whoa, fantastic, good. Okay, so board square number. Now another experiment I like to go for is type CPP. So I just changed the name for this board square number just to count the errors where it would be giving me the error. But why board is not declared really? Oh, okay, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so let's just try to clear the console. Okay, clear. And hold on a sec, just really want to try this profile build. Okay, so just to have a rough estimate of where is that used. Okay, so we have extern uint 8 square distance used within the bit boards. Okay, so in theory shouldn't matter really. Shouldn't matter, but potentially might be given some errors. Okay. So bitboards age. I don't care about bitboards age. Eventually, I'm going to get rid of that file. Okay, psqth piece number square number. So, well, it feels like regards to p square tables, but also the data structure looks similar to piece list. But anyway, so shouldn't be that critical. NNE relies on the square number. Well, as far as I'm not going to use an NUE anyway for now, it doesn't matter. By the way, just really wondering, oh sorry, is there still a way, is there a way to compile without an NUE? I want to compile Stockfish without an NUE. Stockfish offers you say option for you not to use an NUE. You're right, but compiles with NUE, how can I get? You need to enable an NUE embedded off. An example, add this, copy to CXX flags. So this is another thing to consider. So I just go into a make file, CXX flags, and I won't need this one. Or, well, this doesn't seem to be matter that much. Okay, so let's bring back the square number. Evaluate CPP. So I'm wondering, is this gonna drop the NNUE stuff? So probably the way to check that is just to kick. Yeah, by the way, hold on a sec. Default already available. If I just get rid, if I just delete that file, because I don't really want to be sticking to an NNUE, at least at the moment. Okay, so this is on the cards. Yeah, and probably another thing to consider would be to disable the downloading part in the make file. Was it because I disabled the NNE, or was it on some different reason? It's hard to say. Sorry guys, sorry for being a little bit off topic. It doesn't really matter in regards to our experiment, but that's the way how I'm getting used to the Stockfish's code base. Yeah, because you just stepping inside and just trying to try some options. I don't know, that's just my way to go to learn some new stuff. So was it not able to get done because maybe because it tries to evaluate then NE, I don't know. So now it's just a standard build. The only difference is that I'm using profile build, which in theory should be faster, as they said, but I don't really see it to be faster. So probably feels like even like a bit slower. It's running bench. No, something horribly wrong. Or probably just running some. Okay, hold on. Just seems really strange. Okay. And let's say Let's say again I try to disable then, and sorry guys, just really wondering. Okay, I need to change something. Oh, why did I close main? So I need to change something. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, so just better not doing this. Or actually, hold on a sec. If I still have that init stuff. But, well, actually, they didn't say to command out from the source code just to add the flag, so this should be handled automatically. I just wanted to delete the network file, and yeah, not kind of relying on that for a while at least. Well, this feels a little bit strange, to be honest. Well, I can just command out this line. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. So where is that? Evaluate CPP 46. Evaluate. So if not defined version, whoa, they have some embedded in NUE. So they do rely on an NUE anyway. Okay, yeah, so it's, yeah, I should have worked from Stockfish 12 apparently. Okay, but doesn't matter really, so at least just did really answer a couple of questions. So, still felt a bit confused. So did I already break something? Did I already break something? Okay, how to restore this stuff? How to restore the stuff? My goodness, what the hell is this? Oh man, what have I done? Come on. What the heck? You kidding me? Just trying to find where this disaster starts actually. Oh. In function material probe. Okay, how can I fix this? How can I fix this? How do I build? Build regularly. Did I do something horribly wrong with the make file? Okay guys, sorry, just pause the video. I need to restore my setup because yeah, something has gone horribly wrong. Okay guys, so just cleaning the build files and building from scratch seems to be working, so we can go. And I'm sorry for this step aside basically. So yeah. Okay. So the next thing I would like to add here is probably, well, square none. Does it matter what a value the square none would have? So square none. Oh, probably that's needed for in-peasant square for in-peasant captures. So just to have a look, where can I have a look at? Yeah, let's say in Xiangqi Stockfish. Xiangqi Stockfish would be nice. So how the Fabian did this for large board support, we call it large boards. Types and square. Okay, on the way to go, let's say square A1. Okay, so okay, he still has the square none. Probably just to support, yeah, just to support. So yeah, so you see, like, this was the initial setup, so, but optionally if he has the large boards, this is the setup he's using, right? So let's count. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Well, I only need 11, so I can probably reuse this and just alter the number of squares themselves. So I don't need this. I don't need this stuff. Square J, square K, square L, like this. But save. But why is this? Oh, yeah, I see. It's because, like, okay. So 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I need 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I need 4 more. So so 11 11. Well, let's actually go 11, 12, 13, 14. Or no, hold on a sec. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's right. 14. So this would be, yeah, okay. 14, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13, 14. As far as these guys are not used, well, at least yet, this might be, so hopefully not gonna cause a segmentation fault for now. And I really need to be precise. 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, because if any mistakes, this might be really weird. 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13, 14, 12, 13. Save. And yeah, let's try to compile a run again, and by the time it compiles, just want to add this to position piece board. This board representation like this. Okay. Yeah, it's a really nice like baseboard, what it literally is. Okay. So I don't know if I'm the first guy who's trying to make Stockfish a mailbox array-based engine. I don't know. I was really searching for similar kind of like implementations, but I didn't find any. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Just forgot to put on my mic. Sorry, I was distracted a little bit. So sorry. I didn't say anything important. I'm sorry. Okay. So just getting distracted by my cast all of the time. Okay, so let's see if this did compile. Oh man, the sack full. Oh, this is the first. Yeah, this is the very first stack fault ever. Okay, so I just copied this. I wanted to have somewhere like so. One hundred and 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, this should be 154, but okay, so at very least, yeah, they are getting malformed, I believe. Okay, so another little experiment. So if I just get rid of the entire setup, just to see where exactly the squares are used. Okay, so not really that many. So this is for castling, right? So if I just try to disable this code, is this gonna lead to getting rid of this segmentation fault? Flip rank. Flip. I don't need any flips. This probably regards to the flip function, which is the debugging one. Stockfish is okay. Yeah, by the way, this is where I can make some changes already. Stockfish is okay. So is this within the types? Control F is okay. Okay. So, okay. Let's go. Flip rank. Control F. Flip rank. So square A8. This should be the very last square we have. Okay, okay guys, so now really fun thing starts. So yeah, probably I can even square okay, square A1. So it would be square K14. Copy. And let's go step by step. So square A8, flip rank. Flip rank. So we need square A8, this one. Next then, so flip file square H1. So square H1. This would be square K1. Copy. Flip rank. Okay, what else? Is okay. So greater than square in 1, less than this one. So is okay, and this is the biggest. Is okay. And hold on a sec. Is okay. 442 and 442. Oh, both are not available. Okay. Yes, it feels like I did manage to. I did change anything actually. Everything actually, yeah. Yeah, let's try again. So let's see if this would actually help to avoid this core dump. Okay, so if the type.h is the only file actually dealing with these constants, this is really awesome. If I don't really need to search for them in other files, it's really fantastic. Yeah, but I don't know. Man. Okay, it's probably time to stop the video already, because I have no idea what is actually going wrong. Okay, so let's try to think. So what can be wrong? If it tries to set up the impedance square or something like that, so within the within the setFEN, within the initial one that runs automatically. So that's just my assumption. So if I just so if I just try to disable the code that deals with an impedance square, and so we need the active color, right? The only thing that I would like to change here is to match the black and doing black and white, because in that case we would be able to support not only W but R, which stands for red, which is on the cards. So probably as far as I'm here, I'll do this already. So black, but this doesn't really help to deal with the segfault, obviously. So okay, canceling availability. I don't want the canceling availability, but I might be getting that if it's not getting initialized. So maybe I should have initialized that to 0 or something. So set canceling right. Well, actually, hold on a sec. This should be... Okay, so let's actually try to figure out where it breaks. And yeah, we'll start from here. So let's say stdcout. Yeah, let's just try to see where it breaks. Parse FEN. I assume that it breaks somewhere in the parse FEN, because yeah. But on the other hand, it definitely related to the squares themselves. So I don't even know. Oh, file and rank. Well, this here, Control F, file, flip file, nope. Okay, this is it. Oh, okay, so here is another thing. Yeah, so this should be changed as well. So the way how they convert file and rank. Yeah, it might be here. Yeah, but it's really nice that all this stuff actually, with the types. Okay, so it seems like it happened before. Parsing FEN. This is really strange. Well, okay. If so, Let's go to main. It doesn't go here as well. It might drop on PSQT init. This might be the case. Okay, by the way, it also relies on the square numbers. Well, actually, for perf testing, if I disable the entire p-square tables, this should be fine. Okay, anyway, let's try to just put in this debugging statement. So breakpoint 1, breakpoint 2, breakpoint 3, just to see where it drops. Well, I assume it would break at p-square tables. Well, maybe the bit boards as well. Well, you can't break anywhere, really. 6. I know what I'm now doing seems extremely weird, because this is why normal people use debugger, but I'm Code Makikin, and I don't use debugger for religious because of religious observations, let's say. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I tried that, I swear. I try to use GDB in the command line, and that's fun, but yeah, not for me, really. Okay, breakpoint 9. I think this is enough, so let's see how far will we go. So trying to localize the bug. If any professional C++ developers watching this, I'm really sorry, guys. You're just for violating probably all the possible principles of C++ development. Okay, so we have up to breakpoint 5. Okay, so p-square tables actually do initialize. We don't care about that stuff. So bitboards fail to initialize. Oh, bitboards. I don't need bitboards. But let's have a look. So bitboards initialize. Yeah, probably. I don't even know. Actually, hold on a sec. Can I just get magics as well? Square A1, square. Okay, let's see if it goes here. Are you kidding me? I can't even print. Okay, then I go for a good old way. Printf. Okay. What will you do now? Just a printf. So for this stuff I can use the printf. The way I can use printf is even here. As far as just the matter of a general printf. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I can actually delete all those unnecessary ones. So I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. And yeah, only starting from here, breakpoint 5. And yeah, for now I just disable, well, okay, let's just keep them for, well, just disable. I don't know, maybe I just won't be needing them really. Okay, and we still have breakpoint bitboard 2, bitboard 1, square array 1, okay. Is it just doesn't work on magics? Rook, bishop. Well, initializing magics is okay, but square distance. I don't care what it does initialize here, really. I don't really care about that. Just not sure why. Okay. As far as I'm gonna get rid of this one day entirely. What if I just drop it completely? If I don't initialize the bitboards. If this still gonna work without that, that would be incredibly nice. So let's say if all the bitboards would be like some values. I would also love to initialize them all as zeros. This might be on the cards. Okay, we're still here. Okay. Okay, guys. Just sorry. A very quick. A very quick exam. A very quick try. So, if we just don't initialize bitboards, is this still gonna load? And if this still would be able to make some perf testing. So I don't need the mode generation relying on the bitboards. I don't need them at all. They only don't torture me with... Okay, still get this sec fault. Hold on a sec. Maybe this is even not... doesn't even regard to bitboards. Or does it? Yeah, okay. Okay, even if so... Here. So can you initialize the magics? For those of you who's not aware what the hell is magics, that's the numbers involved in generating slide and piece attacks. For those interested to know a bit more details about that, yeah, that's where it stops. That is where it stops. You can check out my playlist on coding bitboard chess engine in C, 95 videos, and introducing these magic bitboards quite pretty nicely. Okay, so it doesn't get a year already, so the first ever sec fault relies on the magics. Just don't understand why they don't use the pre-calculated ones, probably due to some performance optimization stuff. Rook table. Rook. Okay, it's called a startup and relies on global objects to be already zero initialized. So here it just seems like initializing the attack tables. If I just disable the magics, then in case of trying to generate the move, it would be using the lookup for that. And but on the other hand, hold on a sec, I'm just wondering. If magics whoa, they do initialize magics on startup. What a cool thing. If they were initialized to zeros, yeah, this is the code by Tord Romstad. I've seen this at Chess Programming Wikipedia. It's prettified and optimized here. But anyway. Okay, just have a look at the magics themselves. So they are within the global variables. Are they initialized to zeros in C++ as they would be in C? Okay. Okay, so yeah, I understand it's no longer fun to keep watching this, so we'll probably stop somewhere now. And keep tinkering until find a way how to deal with this, and probably I just probably show you I will probably show you what if I ever would be able to come up with something decent and avoid getting this error. So just show you that, and we'll see how it goes further on. So this is just fine because just realize something is just wrong with. So it just tries to initialize some data structures that rely on the specific square values that I did violate by changing them to my my own values here, right? So like A2 is no longer equal to what A2 was equal because now it's like 1 to it's up to 4. So it was a value, and now this is the value plus 3, right? So yeah, that's the reason. So if I just got rid of this, guys, it would be working still, but doesn't really matter that much. By the way, hold on a sec, I could have just add them down below from the rate side perspective. Doesn't matter, but no, that's weird. That's weird. Well, okay, guys. So yeah, I really need to think how am I gonna be resolving this, and hopefully, if or when or if I do manage this, then I will definitely share this stuff with you guys in the next video. So this is it from my side. Thanks for watching. Wish me good luck with this project. Until the next time, and take care.